Hey everybody, Jay and A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now today we are actually going to look at a 2025 Keystone Sprinter, model number 3840 LRK. So let's get started. The length on this Sprinter is 42 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 12,560 pounds with a hitch weight of 2,380 with a GVWR of 16,300. This is a really cool floor plan.
It is a super cool floor plan. So if you have anybody, any of you guys that work off the road, you are going to love this floor plan. So we can't wait to show it to you. But let's get started right up here. Your pin box is going to be a road armor. Your storage up here at the front, of course, where your batteries are going to go. Now your spare is right there. Pretty easy to find it. I love that they give you this docking light here, so in case you do have to connect everything up in the dark, you got a light. Here is one of your propane tanks and one side of your pass-through storage. Guys, this is some pretty good storage area in here. It is prepped for an inverter. There's that little prep right up there.
Only thing I'm going to say right now, I wish they'd put the door a different way. Goes this way.
Yeah, probably because you're opening
you're
right
gonna have
under.
to hold it up.
Yeah, you're right under a slide too. Well, it just is what it is. Speaking of slides, we'll go ahead and point this out right at the front. This is going to be a concern for a lot of people. It is going to be cable-driven slides all the way around. So, you know, some people don't like that. Some people don't care. But there it is. Your electric leveling is right there.
I like that behind that.
Yeah, I like that. This should be your tank poles. I think it's locked with.
It's locked.
But anyway.
Tankless water heater.
Right there. You have a dump area right down there, which
actually one of your tank pulls is right here on the frame.
Oh, okay.
And right by here too. There's two here, one down there.
Okay, so we're not sure what's behind that door. It says black tank and gray tank, but
well,
it's
that's
locked.
probably where your pull tanks are under there.
Yeah. But your dump area is not under a slide, so that is pretty awesome. Coming on down, you're going to have another dump area right back here.
And your handle's right above it.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get down far enough to see that, but because I know.
We have to point those out sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes people want to know, so there you go. I believe this one's got 4-point leveling.
Probably as long as it is, it probably needs to have 6.
It probably could stand to have 6, but the Sprinter is going to be a little bit of an entry-level fifth wheel, so that's something that just goes along with it. You will see that this is a wide body edition, so it is just a little bit wider, so it gives you some great interior room. This is prepped for a Lippert ladder. It's also prepped for a backup camera. You do have a towing hitch on this. It is going to be rated for up to 3,000 pounds. Like we tell you all the time, just be careful if you decide to tow with it.
It's Keystone, I don't know.
Yeah, Keystone does not give us awning links, so we just kind of have to measure and guess.
Come here. Hold it right there. Come here.
All right.
This one is 10 foot.
All right.
This next one, I have no idea.
I'm going to point out these really cool stairs. I like this because dirt doesn't get stuck in it as much.
You can hold it somewhere close, and we'll just do a little estimating. Oh, good night. This one is either, 22 feet.
Well, yeah, we're drooping a little bit there, so.
Yeah,
but
it may be 21,
not bad.
22.
All right. But yeah, you're going to have really good campsite coverage with your awnings. So let's show you the other side of this pass-through storage. Yeah, this is
not bad.
Actually really nice storage area in here. Now, of course, this is not a drop frame, but even for not a drop frame, that's a pretty big area. And then your other propane.
Wow.
All right, looks like you've got another connect right under there. All right, we are going to go right on in and take take a look at this one. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna have to tell you, I'm
Wow.
quite impressed with this interior. This is,
It's a real light interior.
it's real light
I
and
like
it's
that.
really pretty. Keystone did a great job on this one. Something that we pointed out in some other models, you know, a lot of people have done so much gray, and this still is a gray cabinet, but it does have more of a warm undertone to it. So, you know, for those of us who like to look at the interiors, just wanted to let you know about these cabinets. Now you've got some great storage here, and that's a really nice size microwave. We'll just go ahead and get all the top cabinetry first. These got behind this frosted glass, so you've got a nice big storage area.
Whew.
And you're not going to have solid surface in this. Again, that's the Sprinter. It's just, it's going to kind of keep you on budget there. So, but
Yeah, you got to move up to the Sabre.
yeah,
It's got solid surface.
Yeah,
the
some of the-
Alpine.
yeah.
Yeah.
But look how much counter space you have, guys. I mean, this is just really big kitchen here.
My goodness.
So yeah, you've got all these storage drawers. All of this. You are going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven and then a drawer underneath. So yeah, then you got this great power outlet there. You're going to have one in this corner. So wherever you want to put your coffee pot, your Instapots, your crock
pot.
pots. We're not going to say anything else. But
I've already said it.
yes, we have. Yeah, so even your pantry here actually gives you 2 doors, so you don't have to open, you know, one big door to get to everything. So you've got separate doors there. They do actually give you a big exhaust fan in here. I love that they did the LED light strips in here, and here is your first AC unit. They are going to give you a side-by-side residential
fridge.
size fridge.
Yeah.
Yes. Now, what I said on the outside, for those of you who work on the road, you have a built-in desk. How awesome is that? You have got storage. They give you that power outlet there. A nice padded chair. I like that.
Yeah. With
Yeah, some storage underneath.
yeah,
so
you put
you
your
can,
pens and pencils in there.
yeah, and even if you don't need to work from the road and don't need a desk, that would be a great serving area if you had guests over. Now, on the other side of this nice big bar area, you have 2 chairs, 2 bar stools. So, yeah, nice high-backed bar stool.
Like that.
Yeah. We'll go over here and look at your love seat. This should make into some
Yes.
additional sleeping. Yes. They give you a little bit of an end table over here with a plug-in. So nice big windows. You're going to have pleated shades in this one. And then on the opposite side is where your theater seat is. So it has cup holders. Right in the middle you've got wireless charging and storage area. This is going to be parachute pull. Now it's not directly in front of your TV,
Massive.
which
TV.
is a 65-inch TV, guys. This is just huge. Big old TV. Then you have got storage up here. I'm going to go ahead and show you. There's your second AC. So you've got 2 AC units in this area. All of this storage underneath your TV and an electric fireplace. Now I'm going to have a seat. This is the theater seating furthest from furthest? Is that a word?
Furthest?
It is for today. I don't know if that swivels, and
Yes.
it does. So yeah, no problem with your theater seating being off to the side. So yeah, excellent. Now this is Keystone, so your heating is going to be in the floor in this one. But now, like I said, from on the outside, if you work from the road, not only is that desk excellent, but this room is going to be amazing.
Wow.
So yes, this is a half bath. So you do have a porcelain toilet in here. You do have a sink. But then, guys, holy moly, look at this. You have all of this storage. You've got more open storage right there. You've got this huge area for folding. And then you can do your side-by-side washer and dryer. Or you could do a combo unit and have extra space. But how awesome is this half bath / laundry room?
I love this laundry room.
Yeah, and then you get this great big fan in here. This is just amazing. This really surprised me when we came in the door and saw this.
I like this.
Very, very well done. All right, let's move up the stairs. Your controls are going to be right up here as you go up the stairs. Your lights are on a dimmer, so you can dim them. Now, coming into the bedroom, you're going to have a king-size bed here, and this is actually pretty low. If any of you guys have a setup like we do, I have to have a step stool to get on our bed.
80 by 70.
Yes, 80 by 70, so this is going to be a RV king. It does have windows on both sides. You've got the pleated shades, USB and C, and then you have these little shelves, and you see that you've got a plug-in down there, and then there's going to be a plug-in on this side also. You do have some great storage underneath the bed. Let me show you the floor space in here. So this is really good floor space in here. So yeah, if you sit on the side of the bed, put your shoes on, you got more than enough room.
Get in here and dig in the underwear drawer.
Absolutely. Again, I'm jealous that there are actually drawers in here. But yeah, this is a really nice dresser area. You got 6 big drawers. Your TV will mount right up above it.
And I like this. They give you this.
This is a
big
window. It's
right
a big
here.
window in here. And yes, it is an emergency exit. Yes, this is a 5th wheel. Yes, that's a long drop to the ground. But it'll be fine.
I believe you could catch me.
Yeah. Again, hey, this is a huge space for a TV. You could put up to a 40-inch easily.
Oh,
probably
yeah.
a 50 in here. That'd be a little bit overkill.
That's a little overkill.
But anyway, here is your third AC unit. So yes, this one has 3 AC units and it's a front bath. So here is your shower.
I had the time of my life.
I am so sorry, folks. I just apologize here. Anyway,
I can't help it. I get a big old shower like this.
this is a big shower,
I
guys.
make me want to sing and dance.
And if you look, there's, just step over it and you're in. So yeah, 6 feet tall. So skylight's perfect position. Yeah, sliding, retractable door. You do have an exhaust fan in here.
30 by 48.
30 by 48. So it is just huge.
I mean, my gosh.
Yeah. Then you do have a space over here for your towels. You've got a foot flush toilet right down here.
You step over there, I'll open like this.
I'm going to step into the shower here.
Step into the shower.
Yeah, you got 2 mirrors. Now there's not medicine cabinets behind it, but that's fine. You don't need it because look at these drawers. Yeah, they're huge.
I believe you can get all your curling irons and everything in there.
Yeah, I could get all my junk in there.
Wow.
Yeah, nice space underneath that. I think we've lost our plunger, but this would get a plunger.
Dadgummit, where is the plunger?
Yeah. While he is looking for the plunger, let me show you this front closet. Guys, this is just something else. So you've got double doors going in here. Let me find the light switch. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Now look at this
my gosh.
closet. I'm just going to start at the back because I want to save something. So you've got this hanging rack all the way across. You've got this little ledge all the way across. You've got plug-ins on both sides. Then you've got open area here. It's not quite big enough for shoes unless you turn them sideways. 3 huge drawers here. 3 huge drawers here. But we're not finished. If you step on in, you have a mirror over here for a dressing area. And then if I turn around, try to do this slowly. You've got a mirror on this side too. So you actually have dressing area inside your front closet. I mean, how cool is this? This is just amazing. You got a little step up right there to get in here.
But look at me, I can stand up in here.
Yeah, so yeah, if you got 6 feet of clearance in here. Wow. Not that people are going to stand in their closet all the time, but you could if you wanted to. Ah, yes.
It gets the golden plunger.
Better late than never, but yes, ma'am, this one is going to get that golden plunger. So hey, guys, tell us what you think about this one, especially if you're someone who needs to work while you're on the road. What do you think about this laundry room and this desk setup?
In the kitchen. I mean, come on. All right, everybody. Dealership's information down in our description if you like this Sprinter with that laundry room. Wow. If you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.